If you are searching for that person who will change your life, take a look in the mirror. Life is waiting for you. Give your best shot. If you have more than you need, simply share it with those who need it most. The moment you start valuing yourself, the world will start valuing you. Success comes from experiences. Experiences comes from bad experiences. Learn to control your thoughts, or your thoughts will control you. Never be afraid to do what you love. Education is not just about gathering knowledge, but more so about learning how to think. Don't be so serious about what you think. It's just a point of view. Always remember, you are bigger than your problems. You might have failed, but you are not a failure until you give up. Stop criticizing yourself for your failures. Start appreciating yourself for your achievements. The ability to detach yourself from your thoughts is your ticket to freedom. Success always hugs you in private, but failure always slaps you in the public. Stop doubting yourself. Work hard, make it happen. If you really want to be successful, stop worrying about what you can get and start focusing on what you can do. Be powerful not to dominate others, but to conquer yourself. The illusion of luck disappears when we start seeing things as they actually are. Wisdom is directly proportional to your power to overcome the failures and setbacks in life. You are the answer to all your questions. Those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. Make your problems adventures and achieve greatness in every situation in life. If the whole world says it is due to palm lines that my faith is bad, then why can't I change my palm lines? Nothing is bigger than love. Positive thinking is not about expecting the best to happen. It's about accepting that whatever happens, happens for the best. The person who knows everything about why and what am I doing and how to do it, then nobody can stop him. If you are not afraid of losing, nobody can ever beat you. Actions without thinking and thinking without actions will give you 100% failure. First, you have to complete your own commitments. If you are not able to complete your own commitments, then how can you complete those commitments that you have given to others? The only way to clear your mind is to stay grounded in reality. What you think about yourself matters more than what others think about you.